My name is Sarah. I was 22 years old. I had a simple dream. I wanted a family. A husband. 2 children. A boy and a girl. That was all I wanted. I went on dates. I met different people. But nothing worked. I felt alone. I wondered if my dream would ever come true. Then I met him. Max. He was 25 years old. He had kind eyes. He made me laugh. We started dating. I felt happy for the first time in years. 7 months passed. I loved him. But I needed to know something. Did he love me too? One night, I asked him. My heart was racing. Max, do you really love me? I asked.
Of course I do,
He said. I smiled. I felt like I was flying. We talked about the future all the time. We made plans. We would get married. We would have 2 kids. We would move to the countryside. Life would be quiet and slow there. We would build a happy family together. I believed him. I thought my dream was finally coming true. 2 years passed. We were still together. Then one day, I felt sick. I went to the doctor. The doctor gave me the news that changed my life. I was pregnant. I was so happy. I cried tears of joy. This was it. This was the beginning of our family. I couldn't wait to tell him. I went to his apartment. I knocked on the door. He opened it. I looked at his face. I smiled. I have something to tell you, I said.
What is it?
He asked. I'm pregnant, I said. I waited for him to smile. I waited for him to hug me. But he didn't smile. His face changed. He looked angry.
What?
He said. His voice was cold. We're having a baby, I said. My smile was fading. Something was wrong,
Get rid of it.
he said. I couldn't believe his words. My heart broke into pieces. What do you mean? I asked. Tears filled my eyes.
I don't want a baby.
He said.
Get rid of it.
But we talked about this, I said. We talked about our family. Our 2 kids. The countryside. Remember?
That was just talk.
He said.
I'm not ready.
But I'm pregnant now, I said. This is our chance. This is our dream,
It's your dream,
he said.
not mine.
I felt like I was drowning. I couldn't breathe. Please, I begged. We can do this together. He looked at me with hard eyes.
Choose.
He said.
The baby or me.
I stared at him. This was not the man I loved. This was a stranger. I put my hand on my stomach. I thought about the tiny life growing inside me. I choose the baby, I said. He said nothing. I turned around. I walked out of his apartment. I never looked back. I went home. I told my parents. I thought they would help me. But they were angry too.
You're too young.
My mother said.
Get rid of it.
My father said. No, I said. I'm keeping my baby. They yelled at me. They told me I was making a mistake. But I didn't listen. This was my baby. I would protect it. The months passed. My stomach grew bigger. I felt scared every day. I was alone. But I kept going. Finally, the day came. I went to the hospital. The pain was terrible. I screamed. I cried. I thought I was going to die. But then I heard a sound. A baby crying.
It's a boy,
The nurse said. She put him in my arms. He was so small. So perfect. I looked at his tiny face. I started crying. I'm your mom, I whispered. I'll take care of you. I promise. The first months were so hard. I took care of him alone. I fed him. I changed him. I rocked him to sleep. But he woke up every hour. He cried all the time. I was so tired. Some nights, I cried with him. I didn't know what to do. One night, I couldn't take it anymore. I called my mother. Mom, I said. My voice was breaking. I need help. She was quiet for a moment. Then she said,
I'm coming.
My mother came the next day. She held my baby. She looked at his face. Her eyes got soft.
He's beautiful.
She said. From that day, my parents helped me. My mother took care of him during the day. I went to work. I worked as a cashier at a store. I was tired all the time. When I came home, my mother would leave. Then I took care of my son alone. I fed him. I gave him a bath. I played with him. I put him to sleep. Then I would fall asleep too. Time moved slowly, but it kept moving. My son grew. He was beautiful. Everyone said so. When I took him outside, people stared. They smiled. What a pretty child, they said. He was 4 years old now. He had big eyes. He had a sweet smile. He was my whole world. One day, my mother got sick. She couldn't take care of him. I had to take him to work with me. Be good, I told him. Sit here and draw. Okay? Okay, Mama, he said. He sat next to the register. He had his paper and crayons. He drew pictures. He was so quiet. So good. It was a busy day. Many customers came. I scanned their items. I smiled. I said thank you. Over and over. Then I looked up. My heart stopped. It was him. My ex-boyfriend. The father of my child. The man who left us. He was buying things. He put them on the counter. Our eyes met. My hand started shaking. He looked away. He acted like he didn't know me. Like I was a stranger. I scanned his items. I said nothing. My heart was pounding. Mama, my son said. Look what I drew. He held up his picture. It was a house. A family. A son. It's beautiful, I said softly. The man looked down. He saw my son for the first time. His face changed. He stared at him. My son was so pretty. The man kept staring.
Is he mine?
He asked. I said nothing. I looked away.
Miss, we're waiting.
Someone behind him said.
Move along.
The line was long. People were getting angry. He took his bags. He walked away. But he kept looking back. I let out a long breath. My whole body was shaking. The day ended. I took my son's hand. We walked out of the store. I just wanted to go home. But he was there. He was standing by the door. Waiting.
Please,
He said.
I need to talk to you.
No, I said. I walked past him. He followed us.
I'm sorry.
He said.
I was wrong. I was stupid. I want to fix this.
I kept walking. My son looked up at me. Who is that man, Mama? He asked. Nobody, I said.
Please.
The man said again.
Let me be his father. Let me help. We can have the family you always wanted.
I stopped walking. I turned around. I looked at him. Where were you? I said. My voice was shaking. Where were you when I was pregnant and scared? Where were you when he was born? Where were you when I cried every night? Where were you when I needed help?
I was scared.
He said.
I made a mistake.
It's too late, I said. Tears ran down my face. I took my son's hand. We walked away. That night, I couldn't sleep. I thought about my son. He deserved a father. But this man hurt me. He left me. He chose himself over us. But my son didn't do anything wrong. It wasn't his fault. The next morning, I went to work. My mother was better. She took my son. I walked into the store. He was there. Waiting again.
Please.
He said.
One chance. Just let me know him. Let me be his father.
I looked at his face. I saw regret there. But I didn't trust it. I don't love you anymore, I said. You broke my heart. You left me when I needed you most.
I know.
He said.
I'm not asking you to love me. I'm asking you to let me know my son.
I was quiet for a long time. You can be his father. But nothing more. We're not together. We'll never be together. Do you understand?
Yes,
He said.
I understand.
If you leave him, I'll never forgive you.
I won't.
He said.
I promise.
I didn't believe his promise. But I thought about my son. Every child deserves a father. I didn't know if this was the right choice. I didn't know what would happen. But I knew one thing. I raised my son alone through all the hard times. I survived. I was strong. And I would keep protecting him. No matter what. The end. Do you think she made the right choice by giving him another chance? Subscribe to learn English through stories. Lesson of the day. Forgive. Forgive means to stop being angry with someone after they hurt you. Examples from the story. If you leave him, I'll never forgive you. More examples. He said sorry, and I forgave him.